of Arts and Commerce, Penne, Goa, is organizing his rally on 2nd October, the Gandhi Jayanti. Every year this college observes the Swachhata Day in the college. Last week we had a general cleaning in the college, and we thought that we would take a rally of all the students, the teaching staff as well as the non-teaching staff in the municipality limits to create consciousness and awareness about this extremely good program, very good initiative of the Government of India and the Government of Goa in ensuring cleanliness all around. We would like to spread this message throughout Penne and in the nooks and corners of Penne that this apex institution of higher learning in Penne Taluka is at the forefront of this mission.